In this video, I'll show you how to search for a webmix that has already been published on Symbaloo and add it to your account. The easiest way to do this is to click on this magnifying glass here in your header to open up the search, and from this drop-down, click Webmixes. In this example, we're going to search for a webmix centered around education. So I'll type education, and you can see that some are already previewed here. But we're going to go ahead and click search for other webmixes to get a more comprehensive list. Doing this directs us to the Symbaloo gallery, which includes all of the webmixes that are publicly published on Symbaloo that are related to this keyword education. I'm going to go ahead and click on this one here, and you'll see a preview of the webmix that you're looking to add. If you like what you see, click the blue button that says Add this webmix. As you can see, this education webmix has been added to our account, but there's a lock icon here, and what that means is that currently this webmix is still being updated by the current owner. So whoever created this webmix, if they were to make changes and switch out a tile or change the colors or the backgrounds, you would get all of those updates. However, if you would like to make this webmix your own and make changes yourself, you can do so by clicking the green share button here, going to sharing options, and clicking this button that says stop updates. What this does is it makes it so the webmix no longer gets updates from the original creator, and it makes the webmix your own so that you can make your own edits. Once we click stop updates, you can see that this lock has disappeared, and we can now move tiles around or make any custom changes to make this webmix our own. If you have any questions on adding webmixes to your account, please let us know. Thank you for using Symbaloo.